What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode. I go by the name The Real Mets and I'm here with
Fistolets guy one more as long as again.
Yes,
Back again,
back again.
Another episode.
Wire. This is
Yes,
called Let's Chat About It. We talk about everything that's happening in the industry and also everything that happens in life in general.
Life in general.
So we're dropping like 2 episodes. One about the industry, another one about life issues. So what's on your chat?
What's on my chat today? I will say sometimes we undermine our timer or
Yeah.
So undermine or we take a blind look to can call a blind eye.
Blind eye, yeah.
With eye fit. Imewenza ama fuck up aswa-raise lo point, especially location. Khona ama-timer ama-pedophile isikhathi esibhaya, and then we cut to the chase. Nokubona i-timer lithothi alibona li-timer linemali, libloma esithizini, indlu yayishapu, washa abacima liyahlonipheka. But izinto ezenzayo.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Thola umuntu ubhizi la nabantwana besikolo.
Izinto ezenzakala ebusuku.
Sometimes nasemini nokujumpisa because banokulahla lama-timer la. Uthi mosithi yambona ematshaleni lo muntu nomfazi nabantwana but into azenzayo, so you lose the respect. I don't know, but mina mengibona lo situation le, I do lose the respect. Sometimes abanye they look up to those people uthi baba mentor wabo, but when you find out those things, what you gonna do? You see my chat.
And to add on to that, I think also when it comes to Abu Baba, I think lately it's no longer about you being there, it's about what you can provide. It's like Maui Time, El Grandi, you always there for your kids in. I think, I don't know if the baby mama sees you as a useless father because you are not working. It makes sense.
No,
like these days, ubaba olungile, ubaba onemali, othenga ama-gift in. Ubaba nje onothando, but usastruggle nge-life, but he's there.
He's a useless father.
He's a useless father according to society or according to baby mama. Amanye ama-baby mama are demanding, amanye ama-baby mama.
Yeah, amanye ama-baby mama, they will be demanding in terms of inyuku. Because about baby mama, I would say they think providing inyuku, that's love.
Facts.
They think that's love. But abanye, you'll find out ukuthi umuntu mfethu doesn't necessarily hate umntana wakhe ezumchita. You don't hate your kids, but ubaby mama ukwenza ugcine so feel some type of way. Ugcina so uthi umuntu inkinga no baby mama, so inkinga nomntana khona manje yabo. And usually baby mama, what they do, they'll blacklist you engcosini yakho ukuthi wena uyithamela ngamnaki, useless, washa wacima nomntana will adapt that to okay ubaba wami umuntu useless. But my chat is labo baba laba abalala nabantwana abancane besikolo laba lala besikolo, then you take a blind eye singabakhuzi community abahloniphe abakhothamela
because of imali. Do you think imali overshadow yonke into umuntu ayenzayo?
I think it does.
Like I would make an example. I would say, okay, it's not related to, I would say Ramaphosa. Like there's lot of pala in but because he's the president in zonke nezinto abantu ba blind eye
because
so do you think imali in status?
Yeah, that's why people will turn a blind eye to want to say khothamela no ngokuthi unemali. Let's say inyuku no doesn't exist. Obvious noma phokopho azophuma lo utalo imali bese iphela lo ngasitshele ngalo,
and it depends ukuthi into yenza
ubani
yeah, mangayenza umjita ongena if like crime these days is like yenza ubani mangayenza umuntu onemali akaboshwa, justice is not served. But then mangayenza umjita ozisokolelayo uyavalelwa ejele because akanamali yena akekho powerful.
Jail is for poor people. Okay. Jail is for poor people. So yes, Buffett and mama, they play a huge role. Abantwana ba underprivileged. Mama, they will pimp abantwana babo. Uthi mntana amesha yabona lana sinasisheba.
Okay, yeah.
At least something. Maybe that's how amantombazana, especially on their prime, yabo mntana una 16, 17, still on their prime uvela amabele likhomba ipari. then labo baba bathatha advantage ngaloko ukuthi okay umama wenzani uthengisa umntana wakhe thule ubaba lo unemali thothi umntana bayomskepa for igrocery bayomskepa for isidwadlo
because mangabuye endlini because kunabo mama abathi i-boyfriend enjani le engakuphi imali ubuyaphi like let's say umntana ubuya somewhere ubuyaphi ngibuye emntini wami ikuphi imali anginamali i-boyfriend enjani le engenamali i-boyfriend kumele ifake imali so umntana already sekakhula ngaleyo mentality le ukuthi okay if I date it's no longer about love now I date according to uthi outing angayana because endlini umama meladla umama
and sometimes yazi na maybe uyasho umntana ukuthi umama kudala ngiphilela kudala provider manje so isikhathi sami thothi umntana sazi ka responsibility yoba adult at the young age yabo umntana intombazane at the end of the day
and also
at least in Amachita we can take it in usebenzi useless
man up
you can man up uyangithola but
thick skin I think
yabo.
And also, when it comes to the chat, yabo mama, I want us to touch on this thing. It's been on my chat. There's this girl, Mpumi London. Mpumi London. She was on Big Brother. Then she did really well on Big Brother, according to me. Then
you watch Big Brother?
Yeah, sometimes.
There's cat.
Then she came out of the house and then. Izinto zahamba kahle, she got gigs, she got in and now there's been videos. Okay, she posted a video of her athengisa amagwinya no mamakhe then there were a lot of conversations or opinions around those video. Abantu bathi she fell off, abantu bathi she's back at home, things are not going well. So my chat is, if you're a superstar, you go back home then umama akho uzithengisela amagwinya. Then what's wrong about you going there uyoncedisa umama akho ngamagwinya because you are at home and you are not busy? Maybe that weekend you don't have gigs in.
And umama akho, that's how she put food on.
Yeah, so my chat is, being a celebrity means that you are no longer a human.
I would say
awuyenzi izinto ezenzwa abanye abantu manje.
Cheese.
Yeah, so that's my chat. I didn't see nothing wrong about that video Mpumi London because like
but my chat is on that situation to put a celebrity or a public figure on that position. I'm a public figure. I think they did that to themselves. Reason being, high expectation. Uye umuntu. Let's say you'd move out in the hood, uyophila life angazi Mpumi kusho angithola but amanye ama celebrity awas fayela lo pressure lokuthi okay manje ngizophuma ekasi sengivele TV umuntu uvela ka u3 TV hey I made it mama I made it so yo shama penthouse bese usifakela lo pressure so ya uberize angithola but if uziphilela nje umjito ordinary I don't think that's a problem angithola and ube down to earth. Most of my celebrities are not down to earth.
Yeah, facts. Facts. Never meet them in real life. That's what
real life. Never meet your hero.
Yeah, but right now bega la man until you peep them close. You like
event. You can
see. You see how they act, how they move.
Attitude. You can see good style.
Then another chat is in the hood. Obviously, we'll speak about the cars because we are from a cars. We are still at cars. Ekasi. Why I'm a business abhumayo ama tavern?
Yeah, because we are trapped angithola ekas. That's why we're busy township ntwana ukuthi basitrappa sonke la ukuthi singakwazi ukucabanga ikasi mentality angithola we are trapped kuze uphume ku reality you have to drink ntwana phuma ama tavern nalezi ezisineyayo ama-business aphumayo la.
Yeah, because
ngatavern wonke ama-business la
iyaphumayo then mawuthengisela amakota amagwinya
that shit doesn't help.
It doesn't sell. But open itavern ekasi boom wonke umuntu eze yathenga ayikho itavern
most of the time
yasekasi.
they will think ukuthi uthwele kanti uthwala utshwala. People consume alcohol especially ekasi.
Ayikho itavern ozoyithola i-empty ekasi or ingayenzi profit ekasi. That's the business that is booming.
That's another thing I can tell you.
Business are booming.
That's another thing I can tell you. Ungabhayi ibhodlela khona manje siblume ekasi. uzoliqeda same day. But if you got to blome masaba pini le bondle ungathatha months or weeks lo ushaya ithot guy.
Yeah, because there's some houses emasansini webhodlela lihlezi lapha makabuye esipanini uthi uya relax.
Once in a month uyangithola.
Okay.
So ekasi isishayile ekhanda yonke into isishayile ekhanda and ngapha stress, pressure, uyabo kuningi ungaspani sometimes. And people like us, they undermine that in content creation. Fana, focus on content creation.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do. Whereas
online.
We have to end this thing of people wanting to be cool.
Yeah.
You can't be cool ungaspani. You can't be cool ucavu ukuthi you are desperate udinga ispan. Enye into ebulala abantu ekase and I'm not asamajita asamayini. We are too cool. Umuntu akafuna ukuspani ispan sobu security. Umuntu akafuna ukuspani ispan sase Shoprite. Umuntu akafuna ukuspani ispan so clean up hands. That's why uthola abantu ababhaya abablomile ekase because they are too cool. How can you be too cool knowing very well ukuthi there's no food in the table? He already lala ngadlanga. Umntana wakho ulala ngadlanga. But une pride.
You know what's bad? Abantu basekasi sometimes I understand. You can't umzala wakho akhulise wena. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
After your mother raised you, let's say both of your parents.
Akhulise nomntana.
Akhulise nencosi yakho. That's a fucked up shit. Uyangithola?
Akhulise nomntana wakho.
Ubhayele wena inapkin maybe wenesikhathi sama napkin when you come from that era ama napkin. Then sizobhala umntana wakho ama-papers. That chat ntwana you must always try to ibhenge elinye ilihlo ukuthi ikasi enhlezi kwenzeka but uyazi nayo ikasi trap hlezi trap la ikasi. But another thing is ikasi ungaba yini like singabantu like asifunani sonke saprethendelana especially mongizama ukwenza something wonke umuntu is waiting for your downfall.
Yeah, okay, bazophelelaphi.
How many episodes do we have? No progress.
Okay, facts.
Even the people we know, they won't share our shit because they are waiting for our downfall.
Mostly i-support eningi uzoyithola outside ekasi.
That's the thing.
Like people that know you won't support you because they know you and they don't want you to be bigger than them or bigger than what they thought. You'd find umuntu akuncede ne akunceda lo akunceda then you become bigger. Then lo muntu lo sekaqala uyakwada. Then you ask yourself ukuthi mongicedelanga all along
from the first place.
So make akunceda for you to reach in a certain level. Not ukuthi manje so exceed manje sekakwada manje when you call for help akasekho sekathi when uyazitshela ini. That's the mentality ekasi ukuthi
ikasi lo ukuthi okay mfethu I can help you only when it's beneficial. Ngangithola ukuthi okay. Like no, people are not willing to support. They are not willing to support. But as soon as it explodes, I was there from day one. Also, my credit, unnecessary.
Also, let's have this chat of abangani that always want you to ask for help from them. They always want you to always come to them for help.
Yeah.
When uzenzela izinto ngokwakho, they start to baba nekwali they switch up on you act funny but mawuloku kokota kwakhe uzocela ushukela uba hate but then masekafika kwakhe abona so unoshukela.
How did it get
there's those friends.
There are those friends and there another thing is on that point you were saying umuntu let's say ujwayele ukumsiza other way around, the same thing that you are saying, but in reverse. Umuntu ujwayele ukumsiza, you always help that guy, umenzela ama favor. Kube that one moment or one day over to fit anginayo lento oyifuna.
Thank you.
Crash out TikTok, WhatsApp, fake friends, blah blah blah. Hey, want, but you've been helping this motherfucker from always angithola. Umuntu ngelanga eliwani ungamsizanga, ufile ngathi wena so mjikelile. Let's say ucela imali okay mate onkayi 500 lapha yamtshela ufana uyazi njalo
ngiyabheda
akuyabheda hey fake friends uthothi umuntu ubona uposte isithombe sakudala uphethe ibhiya lapha hey friends won't help you hey they are drinking told you ukuthi into ya current situation.
Isn't it the same as abangani aba-dependent whereby they feel like they are entitled to isalary yakho? They feel like ntwana uholile manje awuyenzi plan ntwana wena since uspana no awusablomi nathi since uspana.
That thing ibhora mosokuva umngane onjalo athi uholile khona manje awenzi plan So the same person uyamthatha umphuzisa, let's say niyaphuza ngoma 1000. After some phuze, I told you when the budget yakho was 200 with no phuze,
Okay,
200.
okay.
Then niphuze i-1000. After so blow i-1000 so dakiwe, mfana endlini kuyabheda, yakunampuphu. Mfethu, you came with a fucking idea ukuthi siyophuza. Uyangithola. Manje uzongitshela ukuthi endlini akunampuphu ini. Sengiblowile 1000.
Sure, yeah. Awusana choice, awusana buyele move.
Uzokupha kanjani imali ongiboni ngongenzisile. Sometimes peer pressure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the other way around, kunanabangani laba abazokuthengela utshwala, bakuthengele yonke into, but when you start asking for help
to start up your own shit.
Uthi boys ngicela ungifakele iCV espanini, ngicela but umngane wakhona every time akafuna nophuza uhamba nawe. But every time umngane wakhona makaye endaweni eziserious, eindaweni ezingakulifta, eindaweni ezingakuphi knowledge, akakubizi.
But mina when it come to ukufunela amajita
ispani,
I'm one of those guys. I'm thinking because you will find a guy who was a cast or you won't appreciate or value that job because I go fuzelanga. So I'm guy on a silver platter. Now I'm saving but you won't value that work or that job because you're feeling it's not my choice. Good thing is I'm busy.
Then is it the same thing as ufake umuntu espanini then lo uthi uyamnceda, let's say you have a friend ongasebenzi ufaka umuntu espanini uthi uyamnceda umuntu akhona masekatholile ispani in the same working environment sekathena abantu against wena, sekakhuluma kabi, sekanabanye abangani, sekakhuluma into zakhe personal akasakunaki.
That's my take on that. Ukutholela umuntu ispani, I rather ngitholela umuntu ispani far away from me.
So that's why abanye abantu but too close ngezinto zabo ne, because they don't want to face those things. That's why abanye abantu they're even scared to help other people now. Manje ngisam blame umuntu azi ongafuna ukunceda abantu because other people are traumatized by what they experience for ukunceda umuntu. That's why you find umuntu eJozi uthi sawubona ngishodela i200 uthi ngigcwalise imali yami tax avela kubheke so and you think to yourself uthi no mama lo unenhliziyo embi in kanti no like akasathembi because baningi abantu abazile kumuntu uthi ngicela ngishodela imali ngicela ungiphi umuntu keep imali. I once experienced that thing at Joe's, I think at Mandela Bridge, where I was working with someone ne omunye umjida aza kimi nomjida lo makeza athi yo awuthami ngicela ungayi 500 ngishodela 500 ne. Ithe mangikhipha inyungu angibamba isandla athi letha yonke ngancedwa ama-taxi driver.
That's bad.
Since that day I was like angisancedi umuntu eJozi now. So ibulalisa nobani, ibulalisa nomuntu odinga uncedo like genuinely like asking for help angisathembi manje.
That's bad. Abakusiza umuntu yeah, but that's how, because mina on my personal opinion ukutholela umuntu ispani unless umtholela ispan somewhere else, angithola. Because I once tried to ukutholela umuntu ispan, I won't mention the name, angithola. And he has ispan ichocho, uyacaba umuntu waspan.
Yeah, ispan no ama-CV awasebenzi no. Ayasebenza
but umuntu lo what I did ngamtholela ispan, obviously that guy engamtholela ispan kuye kwathi manager somewhere angithola. Ngabhatala wefuna ikholi ngomguy 5 clip because I value that person. Guy, the person was supposed to show up for interview. Zangai.
Excuse me.
What you are I understand. I'm scheduled for another day.
Still.
And then on that day, Zanga show up. And then I was like, oh. And then I'm saying keep it 500. And I won't say because you teach. I won't say to fit and keep him all so in when we're young in young to.
Then also, let's say when you sebenza ma-ofisini, then ma-sebenza ma-ofisini, you hear about ispani esikhona available for ukcleaner. Then utshela umjida wakho ukuthi hey kunespani la ngisebenza khona for ukcleaner. Angeke asithathe phi ufuna lesakho.
Kodwa wena usebenza kahle.
Like uthi mina wayimele ngiclean ekubeni. So it's like hey sometimes khona jealousy khona hate.
And another
Or
check.
jealousy tends to hate.
On to the next topic. I think so jealous, yeah. But on to the next topic. Ngibone like Facebook. The thing that is currently trending now. In Intombazana, they say she slept with a Nigerian or Pendubu Gogo. In I was like,
Nah, man.
fine, that thing it started lightly because we call it trend from X-Scene and talk. No, I want each and every blog, I want was that car.
Ukhokha khona ugqoka into ered.
Anginakanga but ithombe is different. Lo mntana lo na 31 I think. She's a 31-year-old girl.
Then she turned into Gogo. After sleeping in Nigeria. Like immediately after sleeping.
That's what I read on the tabloid. Okay, I was like, okay, but so when it turned out, but I don't think that's AI.
But when will girls realize, good see, most of Nigerians men are bad news? Or it's because of the money?
Because
bro, women are too quick to shit on umjida omnyama wasemzansi. Then it's like lezi into lezi abomjida basemzansi abazenzayo ama Nigerians they do more than, but they are quick to shit on amajida wala than ukuthi ba attack ama Nigerian wabo. That's what I'm saying. Imali sometimes yabavala.
Have you ever seen a Nigerian working for someone?
No.
Walbo Nigeria cars looks like a township. Have you? So maybe the majority like 12 or whatsoever. But hey,
and also I heard about a pastor, a guy claiming to be a pastor. Then he took people's phones abaleg.
That's a hassle. That's a hassle because at the end of the day,
that's why people don't go to church.
Church are overrated because I want bapand and that's why
and also you find more competition in church.
Ask yourself, like us. I'm not discriminating or whatever. You will see church like church which one will you go?
Like isn't it a place where you're supposed to go and seek God and be one with the people there, not caring about ubano. But these days it's like ngifuna ukuya ngigcoka itekeli so ngifuna ukuya ngidrive imoto so ngifuna ukuya uma sibanibani ngifuna ukuya ngigcoke idress edlule lakhe like isonto these days la misleader
because ngapha it's a hustle and then ngathi it's a dressing parade
and also ukuhlebana like in church bro where ukuhlebana kumele kube khona sekunokuhlebana
khona manje ungaye church khona no let's so church khona umuntu umfundiso bese umfundiso umzalwane ohlala ekasi lakho ngithola use church khona manje umfundiso umzalwane ohlala ekasi lakho uhamba ngemoto lo mfundi ngeke agayi lift uzogaya wonke abo chair wagcwala
hey it was happening to us
wagcwala abo chair nomzalwane nomfundiso wena uhlala ekasi lakhe
it was happening to us
uzobuya umzalwane bethi ngiyabuya angabuyi
gone as we were going where Messiah